never cleaned an oven that is this disgusting before, but I guess I'm gonna figure it out. This I know. This can't be healthy. Cooking my food in an oven this disgusting. So the materials that I know I need are, I gotta have some gloves because I don't want to get the chemicals on my hands, because I'm gonna use Easy Off Heavy Duty Cleaner. I'm gonna use the stuff that's actually going to clean it. And that's it. Probably should close this and wait about an hour. Alexa, set a timer for an hour.
1 hour timer rolling.
I'm really gonna need a scraper. I have an idea. Now we're talking. Last night, after everything finished up, I put the oven on self-clean mode. So let's take a look and really see how this all turned out. It looks brand new.